Hello everybody, and welcome back to Anne's Aesthetics, where hopefully I can bring you some peace and happiness today through painting. Today I'm going to be showing you a blue aesthetic. It's kind of a blue-green trippy aesthetic painting. I'm starting off with some blobs, and I am doing like a peachy color and then like a khaki color also. Everything will be listed down below. This color is Laguna. For this picture, I use this as inspiration. I'm using a little bit different tones and colors, but you can follow it or do what you want. Right now I'm working on that upper left flower, and I'm also working on some of the rainbows. I decided for my rainbows I would do silver and a couple green ones as well. And then I'm just taking a bunch of acrylic markers in different green shades and drawing them all over the canvas. Come back to the upper left because the paint wasn't quite dry, so that's why you see me coming back in here. And then I'm working on my next one, which is just an easier one in my opinion. For this one, I'm just doing a stem, and then I'm drawing some curved lines with some balls attached on the end of them. And then I did one more plant that was kind of basic, and then this one I just kind of did my own thing with. I split it down the middle and did like a curvy shape on the top and just kind of rectangled the leaves, I guess. And I added some Swiss cheese holes as well. And then the final one I just made super big. A few dots here and there. This is a light green color I'm using. Don't forget to sign your masterpiece. I really hope you enjoyed today's blue aesthetic tutorial and you will consider helping a girl out and subscribing. I hope you have a wonderful, peaceful day. Bye-bye.